Navigating North Carolina probate after a loss can be overwhelming. Note that this is general information, not legal advice. Always consult a qualified attorney. What is probate? In North Carolina, it's the legal process of validating a deceased person's will, paying off debts, and distributing the remaining assets. Is probate always required in North Carolina? No. Small estates, joint accounts, and life insurance policies with named beneficiaries often skip the traditional probate process entirely. Navigating North Carolina probate takes 5 key steps. First, file the will and apply as executor. Next, notify heirs and creditors. Third, inventory the assets. Then, clear outstanding debts and taxes. Finally, distribute the remaining assets to beneficiaries. What happens if you die without a will? North Carolina's intestacy laws step in, automatically distributing your assets to your spouse, children, or closest relatives. Thanks for watching. Understanding probate is crucial. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and comment your questions below.